From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your evening update.
Hello, everyone. Well, the headlines really aren't changing a whole lot because there's not much changing. Or there's going to be some change, but there's not much changing in the forecast here, right? So we're talking about highs near normal, no heat waves in sight. In fact, temperatures dropping significantly by the end of the week, and showers, maybe some thunderstorms in the forecast as well. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to start with the smoke forecast because, that's impacting a lot of people. It's making its way all the way into Modoc County here as we take you into tomorrow morning. So we're seeing that smoke. It's very dense out into the western Siskiyou County, not to mention Del Norte County, and even making its way into Trinity County as well. Now, we take you into tomorrow afternoon, and there you can see still some pretty dense smoke out towards northern Trinity County, western Siskiyou, and into Del Norte County, not to mention places like Hoopa and even close to Willow Creek. We're seeing some of that smoke as well. And then we go into your Tuesday night, into Wednesday morning. Some of the smoke kind of dissipates a little bit, but still some smoke and haze out towards Weaverville, into southern Trinity County, not to mention western Siskiyou County as well. All right, so here's your hour-by-hour forecast, taking you into tonight. Of course, we've got the hazy skies here as we do go into your Tuesday. And of course, for the coast, looking at mostly cloudy skies and temperatures in the low to mid-60s. And for Trinity County, you've got, of course, some of the haze, some smoke out there as well, but temperatures are actually dropping a bit here for tomorrow, and we should be in the low to mid 80s for those daytime highs. Now, the area of low pressure spinning off our coast, this really hasn't been moving much at all over the last several days. It will eventually just kind of boost itself off to the north and east into Canada, but that's not what's really going to cool us off. It's up here, the energy that we're seeing here that's going to be moving eastward over the next few days. And you can see here, by the time we get into the end of the week, that cooler air rises to the north, a piece of energy breaks off, and we see a pocket of cool air kind of settle itself over the Pacific Northwest and Northern California on Friday. This is the significant drop in our temperatures we expect, but this will also bring with it the potential for showers and maybe even some thunderstorms. Now, this particular model brings it out by Sunday. But as we look at futurecasts, I'll show you there's a chance I think we can still see some activity here for Saturday and Sunday as well. But we still have cooler air. We're looking at next Wednesday. So a week from Wednesday is when we are seeing some of this cooler air moving closer to us, keeping those temperatures at bay. Now, let's take a look at futurecast. And we're going to take you all the way through Thursday of this week. It's dry for the most part. By Thursday night into Friday, we're seeing the rain begin to move in for pretty much all of Northern California. I think even the coast could see some activity here. We take you into Saturday, more showers. Once again, I think the coast, not out of the question, see a chance for a shower as well. And by the way, we could be looking at some isolated thunderstorms in some of the higher elevations as well. Now, Sunday, this model brings it out. It takes out all the chances of rain. However, other long-range forecast models, for example, the European forecast model, is keeping the chances for rain in there on Sunday. So for now, I'm keeping those chances on Sunday before it dries out entirely by Monday, Tuesday, and then into Wednesday of next week. All right, let's take a look at your wave heights for the rest of the day as we go into Tuesday. You can see those wave heights around 2 to 3 feet. Now, they're beginning to increase a little bit. And in fact, by Tuesday night into Wednesday, there is a small craft advisory that we need to be kind of on the lookout for. But until then, no advisories. Your low tide will be tomorrow morning at 5:22, and your high tide will be shortly after the noon hour for your Tuesday. All right, here's your forecast for tonight. Mainly clear skies, minus, of course, some of the haze and smoke that we will see. We've got the temperatures in the low to mid 50s for the coast. Now, for tomorrow, again, haze and some smoke out there for Trinity County, for the inland areas, even down south. Places like Garberville could quite possibly see that as well. Temperatures in the low to mid 60s for your daytime highs on the coast. All right, here is your 7-day outlook. And we are seeing the chance for showers for Hoopa for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, not to mention the coast. Again, I've included the chance for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but I don't think we're going to see rain all 3 days. Stay tuned and keep a close eye on the forecast here as we get closer to the weekend. But it looks like for your Labor Day, should dry out for everyone, including the coast and not to mention the inland areas. Here's your 7-day outlook for Eureka. There you can see that chance for showers off and on for Friday, Saturday, and possibly into Sunday. And for your Labor Day, a high of 64 degrees under mostly sunny skies.